What's up, Herd? It's Monday, August 12th. My name is Aaron, and this is your market update. Let's get on into the Bitcoin chart. The market overall is very green today, over 1% for most coins. In fact, over 2 to 3% for most coins, which is fantastic to see. Bitcoin seems to be the only one lagging, and it's showing in the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance came back under 57%, guys, so I do hope that this means we get some more activity in the alts, to be honest with you. I'd love to see this come back down to the structure support here at about 55% in order to let some of the altcoins ride for a little while. Though I do expect Bitcoin to go up from here, I do think it will go up slower than the rest of the market. It has been traveling sideways for some time now, and this typically means that we see some runs up in some of the altcoins. And I wonder if we're going to see that in Ethereum first, when we just saw the Ethereum ETFs launched just a couple of weeks ago, guys. We are up 5% currently on Ethereum, and I would love to see this run. Whale money flow is super low on this, guys, and I do think we'll see a turnaround and may have already seen a turnaround on this. We got all the way down to about $2,120 2 Sundays ago, and now we are up to $26.68. I do expect to get above $28.50 this week, or at least touch that line before we see any change in movement at all. And so I look forward to seeing that happen. BNB up 2.82% right now, just above 500. I look forward to seeing this getting up closer to 600, guys. I do think that's the next line of major resistance for us, and I do expect that to happen either this week or next. Solana's up almost 5% over yesterday. We did have a pullback over the weekend here. Solana was looking really good on Friday. Now it's bouncing off lows at about 140. We have a lot of lines of converging resistance right now, but this could imply a breakout at some time very soon. So let's see what happens with Solana. Now let's get into the elephant money ecosystem, guys. Trunk up 2.32%. We had a little bit of a pullback over the weekend, similar to the rest of the market. BTC was down a little bit yesterday. Ethereum, I've already said, was down and is back up today. BNB, again, came down yesterday, is coming back up today. Solana, very similar. Solana came down the most, and since Trunk is primarily on Solana now, and as the liquidity of Trunk starts to grow, I think it'll have more movement compared to Solana than that of BNB. So we may have some more volatility with that, but I do think we have higher upside potential as well. So let's see what happens over this week. I do expect us to break through 60 again. I would love to see upward and to the right movement like we did over the last couple months, but we could see some turbulence, guys, at these points, maybe around 67 cents, around 75 cents, and perhaps around 80 cents as we travel up towards $1. I know BT would love to see this up to $1 before InvestFest, which is just a week away, guys. We have about a week and a couple days from going to InvestFest and getting some new eyes on the Trunk token, guys. We just created an overview video for Trunk on the Solana ecosystem using our Save.Finance money market, and I do think it will attract new money to the ecosystem, guys. So make sure to get your Trunk tokens before $1 and before InvestFest. And if you're looking to make some easy gains, guys, we have 90% APR on USDC on our Save.Finance vault. And to borrow USDC now is 182%, relatively low in comparison to our last run up, guys, but still great APR on USDC. I can't stress this enough, guys. The current play is to buy Trunk on the BNB chain and bridge it over to the Solana chain. So make sure to use the time-weighted average price function or the TWAP function on PancakeSwap, as well as limit orders over here. Try to get the best prices possible, but that time-weighted average is much like a DCA and really helps with buy pressure, guys. So put in some big, juicy DCAs, guys. Get the best price that you can, and then bridge over to Solana via the portal bridge. I'm hearing some of the herd saying that it's gotten even easier now than it used to be, which is fantastic to hear. And once you have your Trunk on Solana, guys, head over to Save.Finance to take advantage of what's going on in this money market. Help us to get some revenue for the ecosystem, lend some USDC, borrow some USDC, buy some more Trunk in order to leverage your position. We've continued to limit the loan to value ratio at just 10% of your collateral, which I think is very healthy, which will continue to gain fees for our ecosystem and grow the price of Trunk. With that, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content just like this. Not financial advice, guys, but I highly recommend you get into Trunk while it's under $1, especially before InvestFest. Have a great week, and God bless.